Hello everyone, this is Callie Person for Simon Says Stamp. In today's quick tip video, we'll be exploring the features and benefits of hot hands. These mini tongs feature a 4-inch flexible stainless steel handle that are lightweight and easy to use. At the end of each tip, there are additional silicone dots that will help you grab cardstock or hot tools securely. The soft silicone hands are sturdy enough to hold on to heavy cardstock, but gentle enough that they won't leave any marks on delicate paper like vellum. These little tools are ideal for holding cards or projects that require heat application, like heat embossing, hot glue, and the like. When heat application is needed, these hot hands will hold your project at a safe distance so that you can apply heat while protecting your hands. The open design of this tool allows you to hang it if you want, or you could store it with your other favorite tools from Simon Says Stamp in the multi-purpose tool and brush storage caddy. The silicone will protect you from heat, but it can also be used to grab any materials on your desktop while you have inky fingers. Regardless of what you need to handle, we hope the fun design and happy colors will add some spark to your creativity and to your craft space.
I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.